Hari Om, everybody. The month of Shravan is here, a time filled with devotion, surrender, and sacred remembrance. This is the month that is dedicated to Bhagwan Shiva, the compassionate destroyer, the silent meditator, the yogi. What makes the Shravan month so special for the Shiva Bhaktas? Let's go back to the ancient legend of Samudra Manthan, the churning of the cosmic ocean. As the Devas and the Asuras churned the great ocean in search of Amrit, the nectar of immortality, something terrifying emerged first. Halahala, a deadly poison with the power to destroy all. When everyone fled in fear, one being stood tall. Bhagwan Shiva stepped forward and drank the poison to protect the universe. As the fiery venom touched his throat, it turned blue, and so he came to be called as Neelakantha. To cool the blazing heat of the poison within him, the sacred waters of Ma Ganga were poured on him, and the gentle moon was placed on his matted locks, forever soothing the burning fire within him. That's not all. According to another beautiful legend, Ma Parvati began her deep tapasya during this month of Shravan to win the heart of Bhagwan Shiva. Her love, patience, and unwavering devotion bore fruit, and they were united in marriage. So on every Shravan Somvar, devotees go to Shiv Mandirs offering abhishek of either water or milk to the Shivaling. But there's a divine secret for us in this age, Kali Yuga. Just chanting his name with love, devotion, and surrender is enough to grant us moksha. One of the most sacred mantras loved by all is Om Namah Shivaya. Let's turn to the timeless wisdom of Adi Shankaracharya ji, who gave us the Shadakshara Stotra. It has 6 verses starting with the same sound as Om Namah Shivaya. Verse 1 starts with Om. Verse 2 starts with Na. Verse 3 starts with Ma. Verse 4 starts with Shi. Verse 5 starts with Va. And verse 6 starts with Ya. Each syllable is a key. Each verse is a doorway into the heart of Bhagwan Shiva. So come with us as we unfold the meaning of this stotra verse by verse. Omkaram bindu samyuktan nityan dhyayanti yoginah kamadam mokshadan chaiva omkaraya namo namah. The mantra starting with Om is meditated upon by the yogis. The Omkar united with the Bindu, the sound that grants all desires and moksha. Salutations to that Bhagavan who is Om. Namanti Rishayo Deva, Namantyapsarasanganah, Nara Namanti Deveshan, Nakaraya Namo Namah. The name chanted by all rishis, devas, apsaras, ganas, humans, and other beings. Salutations to that Bhagavan who is in the Nakara. Mahadevam Mahatmanam Mahadhyaya Parayanam Mahapapaharam Devam Makaraya Namo Namah. The greatest God, the greatest soul, the one on whom the greatest meditate and read, the one who removes the greatest of sins. Salutations to that Bhagavan who is there in the Makara. Shivam Shantam Jagannatham Lokanugrahakarakam Shivamekapadam Nityam Shikaraya Namo Namah. The one who is the most peaceful, the ruler of the whole world, the one who blesses the whole world, one whose one word is eternal. Salutations to that Bhagavan who is there in the Shikara. Vahanam Vrishabho Yasya Vasuki Kantha Bhushanam Vame Shaktidharam Devam Vakaraya Namo Namah. The one who rides the bull, who has Vasuki around his neck, the one who has Ma Shakti on his left. Salutations to that Bhagavan who is there in the Vakara. Yatra yatra sthito devas sarva vyapi maheshwarah yo gurus sarva devanam yakaraya namo namah. The one who exists wherever the devas exist, the one who exists everywhere, the one who is the guru of all the devas. Salutations to that Bhagavan who is there in the Yakara. Shadaksharamidam stotram yah patet shiva sannidhau shivalokam shivena sahamodate. If one reads the 6-syllable stotram, they go near Shiva. They attain Shivaloka and will always rejoice with Bhagwan Shiva.